Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a topic, directed numbers, which is a part of the syllabus of O Level Mathematics. And for the rest of my videos, you can refer my blog address and my website address, which is given here. Okay, so what are directed numbers? Like I said earlier, I have made the list of all the topics which are part of this syllabus on my website address. Here is a glimpse of it, right? So if you visit my website address, tkmaths.com, and you will click on any number, any topic, you will see few videos. So it is a good resource for a quick revision of all the topics, and you will get an idea also what type of questions are asked in each topic. Right, so let's continue with the topic, which is directed number. So according to syllabus, directed number in practical situation will be asked. And for example, in terms of temperature or flood level, things like that, right? So for example, this is the question, right? I have taken it from November 2003, question 5. Now, the highest temperature recorded is 58.8 degrees centigrade, and the lowest temperature is minus 89.2. In these type of questions, the first part is usually about the difference between the two temperature. So the trick here is because of the negative number, right? So to find out the difference, we always do highest minus lowest. So highest is 58.8 minus, the lowest is minus 89.2. So it will be added. By the way, if you want to visualize it on the number line also, let me take an example of a small numbers to make more sense out of it. So for example, I have here minus 2 and 0 comes in between, and I have here, for example, 3. So if I say what is the difference between this number and this number, so altogether there are 5 units in between, right? So 2 units on this side, 3 units here, so altogether 5 units. So this is the meaning. When you're finding out the difference between two numbers, we do highest minus lowest. Okay. Second part is saying the lowest air temperature recorded in Britain is 62 degrees centigrade higher than this. Now, if you're good at number system, you'll understand that higher mean it is more than this. And when we are talking in terms of negative numbers, as you go on the number line toward this side, the magnitude increases, but the number overall is reducing. So this side we have higher number. So to get the number, get the temperature, which is 62 degree higher than minus 89.2, what we will do? We will add 62 in it, right? So that we can get a number to this side. So it will be minus 27.2 degree centigrade. I hope you understand this. So next question, which is from November 2002. More or less same, but the second part is little interesting and usually it is found difficult by students. Okay, so temperature at 9 o'clock is minus 4 degrees centigrade and at 1500, 14 degrees centigrade. So we can see very clearly that temperature is increasing gradually from morning till afternoon. From minus 4 degree, it has reached to 14 degrees centigrade. To find the difference between the two temperature, we will do the same logic, highest minus lowest, so it will be 18 degrees centigrade. Now the information is assume that the temperature rises at a steady rate. Now steady rate means in every hour or in every half hour the same amount of degree centigrade rises. So what we will do for that? If you see from 9 o'clock to 15 o'clock, the difference in time is of 6 hours. It means within 6 hours, 18 degrees centigrade has gone up. So if I want to see how much degree centigrade is rising in 1 hour, what will I do? 18 divided by 6. So it is 3 degrees centigrade. So this gives me information that every hour 3 degrees centigrade rises. If I want to find out the temperature at 1300, so 1300 is very close to 1500. It is 2 hours less, right? So before I show you the solution, let's do it mentally. So 1500 पे it was 14 degrees centigrade. So 2 hours before it was what? In every hour it is 3 degrees centigrade, so 2 hour mean 6 degrees centigrade. So I can subtract 6 degree from 14 degrees centigrade, and I will know the temperature at what? At 1200, right? This is what the question is asking here. At 1300, sorry. Right. Now the next part of the question is, what was the time when the temperature was 12.5 degrees centigrade? Now the information we have is of 1500, I mean 3 o'clock or 1500 hour, it is 14 degrees centigrade. So what was it, or what was the time at 12.5 degrees centigrade? If I see the difference between 1400 and 12.5, what is the difference? It is 1.5 hour, right? 1.5 degrees centigrade. And I already know that for every hour, the temperature rises by 3 degrees centigrade. So if the temperature is 1.5 degrees centigrade low, it means this thing happened 30 minutes before. Make sense? So I will simply do, let me erase this. So I will simply do what? I will simply do 1500 minus 30 minutes. So which will be 1430. I hope it makes sense to you. So let's see the last example of this type of question, which comes under the heading of directed numbers. Now this part is very interesting, and because of this part I have taken this question. This is from November 06. Again, the example of mountain is taken. You know, as you go on the top, the temperature decreases. So at the bottom of the mountain, the temperature was 8 degrees centigrade, but on the top it was minus 26 degrees centigrade. Now the difference between the two temperature is the same logic, 8 minus minus 26, which is 34 degrees centigrade. Now we know that when we are finding out mean of the thing, what we do? We add up all the things and divide it by how many they are. So here, when I added these two, it is 34. If I divide 34 by 2, my answer will be 17 degrees centigrade. But now this can't be my mean, because my highest temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. So how can mean be more than this? Mean has to be between these two, right? Between minus 26 and between 8. So what will I do? I will simply add 17 degree in minus 26 to see what the temperature is. It is minus 9 degrees centigrade. So this is how I will calculate the mean of the two temperatures. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. I will like to hear your comments if you feel like giving it. Thank you very much. Take care.